So, Alex Chusov, are you online? Are you with us? Yes, you are. Please turn on your video, turn on your mic. If you guys want to speak for, not just for Alex, you may join. You may join Artem and Vakhtang. So the stage is yours to deliver your speech. Welcome at the blast layer to Meetup. Well, Alex, go ahead.
Yeah, first, thank you for opportunity to join this great Meetup with people with from blast community. This is very important for us. Yes, we are just now like a hot, we're not still like ETH hackathon. Yes, we have a best time as Vitalik Buterin about Ethereum, about new standards, about what is going in Ethereum community and Ethereum network. So about the Degen Deals, our main idea, this is an easy bridge from Web 2 to Web 3 and another way from Web 3 to Web 2. This is the opportunity people can make not make like deal not with only digital assets, but without that, but with also with real world asset. And so our vision, we try to implement these two new tools, because now all EVM working just most of these two fundamental standard two tools, ERC20 and ERC721, like NFT, like fungible and non-fungible. So our main idea, we need to use not only just the tools, but we look to how we can use smart tools, because structured account, we combine new implementation 6551. This is open like more power, this more space. And I think this is just my opinion. This product can touch not only humans. It's mean like this easy to implement, and smart account, they also can do something. This can do deal. So I know maybe this is the like people maybe not understand about what, but I just talk like to our killer feature. This is legal layer solution, and second one, we can be like extension on Amazon or any Web 2 marketplace, AliExpress, whatever. And how it's magic working. Artem, you with us? Can you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
First of all, thank you all for having us here. The second thing is, like Alex said, we are focused on a very interesting part. Like, imagine that any of you, when you sign a deal, you have a promise that somebody will deliver you something or send you some money in future. So what we are doing, we're actually tokenizing it. So we create a token, NFT token, that fixes up the legal obligation of delivering something in the future. This token is transferable, and it's backed by arbitration clause. So if somebody doesn't deliver this, and this is how we break actually the wall between Web 3 and Web 2, we made up the instrument that's allowed to issue a court decision in 10 days that can be enforced almost anywhere. So we actually, I understand that you don't like legal, like nobody likes, but we believe that it's not because law is bad. It's just because it doesn't have a proper front end and then it's not user friendly. So we actually create a Web3 instrument to make a better legal solution. We stopped dealing a contract as a one piece of a document. Instead of it, we're tokenizing separate obligation. For example, imagine if you're signing on, I think, let's say on Amazon, a deal that you should send up, I don't know, your iPhone, and instead you should receive some money. Instead of a contract, or what's now is happening is shitty information on a platform, of a centralized platform, you two have two tokens. One has a token on having an iPhone, another have a token of that confirms the right to receive money in the future. And anybody can transfer these tokens to anybody else. What we believe that it might actually bring up much more value to the Web3 world right now. It's already working this part, and it's a really huge legal background there. Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, and I'm Vakhtang, CTO of the Degen Deals, and I want to show you a little bit demo of our demo project, Degen Deals. We connected wallet and we can launch the Degen Deals where we can see our NFTs as a deal. This deal is already executed, and I want to show you the two transactions on Aziscan, where we mint this NFT and that we received this NFT on our wallet. We pay the commission for our NFT. This commission is distributed between platform wallet and legal wallet. Legal wallet is responsible for forming the document. And the second transaction is payment to the merchant for the deal. The deal was cost to the deal's token, and a buyer pay extra commission of 0.1 of the deal. And the payment goes through this transfers. The payment go to account abstraction, and account abstraction checks the additional requirements about the deal, and these requirements are successful and transfer it to the merchant. I said that seller and buyer is the same wallet for testing purposes, and we see that there are transfer from buyer to merchant. This is our demo of our Degen Deals working right now. In future, we will extend the front end part, and we'll see the new NFTs and new features. We try to make it as simple as possible for further understanding. Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining us, because it's very great when you warm team, including 3 speakers already. This means for me that you are absolutely eager to deliver your speech because you are on emotional high from a hackathon. You want to deliver this, and you've got the best opportunity ever in your life because we're friends, and you've got the best right time, right place to deliver it. I hope this helped your project. We will be forming your success. So the question comes from Eugene, team member of the DAO Envelope, and it sounds like that. So guys, if the deal is presented as an NFT linked to actual legal documents, isn't there a bottleneck? Or do you solve this problem in a decentralized way? Or does the user have to trust the party verifying the reality of such documents? If you have understood the question, you may read it in the chat as well. So Artem, because you joined, I think you already.
Thank you.
Yes,
it's a beautiful question.
Okay.
So, first of all, we're not storing an information centralized. So this is not like a link to a PDF. Well, it might look like, but the main point, like what we're planning to, what the concept of it is, this information will be stored on a blockchain, and it won't be one document. So it means that even, for example, if you would like to share your document, for example, to somebody, to prove that you have these rights, instead of how it works right now, where you share the whole document with all the personal data, you share only a part of it. Even a counterparty won't have your all personal data. So no, we will store the information on the blockchain distributedly. And the concept of it, or if the question means like, how do I know that this is legally binding? For this, we have now, I think, like memos from top tier law firms from Great Britain, US, Switzerland, proven that this concept totally works. And actually, this is fully binding document. So first, information decentralized. So there is no bottleneck, there is no monopoly on accessing it. And the second thing is totally legal binding. We have a proof already. Hope it answers.
Yes, I hope it answers. Thank you very much for your answer, your participation. I think all the guys who are interested in the following answer to that thing, it's very easy to find us right now because every Telegram member is there in chat asking you. Is it easy to follow? And me personally, I will be following your success as well because you are placed NFT guys. I don't know how smart your NFT is, but I hope they are. You are guys legal, so we will be following success. So thank you very much again for your eagerness and your readiness and your activity, Alexei. From me personally for letting us know about you and joining us because you've delivered the great value. We wish you great success in delivering and developing your solution. Well, thank you very much. This has been DegenDeals, Alexei, Artem, and Vakhtang.